Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Wear nitrile gloves and eye protection to avoid oils and debris on the bulb. Open the hood and prop it securely. Locate the headlight assembly at the front of the engine bay. Gather a 10 mm socket, a small trim tool, and the correct replacement bulb as listed in the owner manual, commonly H11 for low beam. Also have a soft cloth handy. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to reduce electrical risk before starting work and prevent accidental shorting. Remove the rear access cover by turning the plastic tabs counterclockwise 1/4 turn and set the cover aside. If a retention bracket is present, use the 10 mm socket to remove 2 bolts and lift the bracket off. Unplug the electrical connector by squeezing the clip and pulling straight back from the bulb. Avoid wiggling the wires. Twist the bulb counterclockwise 1/4 turn and withdraw it straight out of the socket, keeping the bulb level to avoid damaging the housing. Handle the new bulb only by the base and do not touch the glass with bare skin. Skin oils can shorten bulb life. Insert the new bulb into the socket, align the tabs, and twist clockwise 1/4 turn to lock it into place. If you removed a bracket, reinstall and torque bolts snugly by hand. Reconnect the electrical plug, reconnect the negative battery terminal, test the headlight operation. Then close the hood and check beam position at 25 feet from.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.